Kia ora, my friends. Hello. Hi. I'm so happy to see you. Hey, Titiro, watch my magic trick. It's toy time. Waka tato.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it, spin it, spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. When you're up to toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time!
Kia ora, and welcome to Toi Time. I'm Ricky, and this is my ukulele. And this is my best friend, Maya.
Kia ora, tamariki ma. This is my xylophone. Doesn't it sound pretty? Ooh. We're just waiting for our friend Jojo to arrive with the Toi Time trumpet, so we can all play some music together. It's not like her to be late. Do you think she's all right?
Oh,
Sorry I'm late. I went to get the Toi Time trumpet, but it was gone.
Gone?
Gone. Absolutely and completely 100% gone.
when was the last time you saw it?
This morning. I played it in the playroom. Okay, well, did you look in the playroom? Yeah, it's not there.
Or maybe you left it in the bedroom. Did you look there?
Not in the bedroom either. Oh, well, where could it be?
I don't know. It's a mystery, all right.
Hey, Mohio,
Kia ora, Riki. How can I help today?
how do you solve a mystery? Like the mystery of the missing Toi Time trumpets.
To solve a mystery, you should ask questions and gather clues until you figure out what happened.
Ask questions, gather clues. Got it. Thanks, Mohio.
Kei te pai, Riki. Anytime.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Let's be detectives for the day. Yeah! We'll ask questions and gather clues
Until we solve the mystery.
Toy Time detectives on the case.
Let's find that trumpet.
Over here, detectives, come and gather round. A mystery awaits, a treasure to be found. Gather up your spy kits and put on your disguise. It's time for an adventure. Let's open up our eyes. We're on a secret mission. We're looking for the clues, solving little puzzles. We've got no time to lose. We'll answer all the riddles and crack the secret code. We'll find our missing treasure. Case closed. The mystery we're solving is quite a tricky case. The object that we search for is missing from its place. But if we work together, this puzzle will be solved, and we will find a treasure more valuable than gold. We're on a secret mission. We're looking for the clues, solving little puzzles. We've got no time to lose. We'll answer all the riddles and crack the secret code. We'll find our missing treasure. Case closed. We'll find what we are seeking with our magnifying glass. To solve this cryptic puzzle, we'll have to be smart. Somewhere in the shadows, our treasure is concealed. But soon we'll solve the mystery and all will be revealed. We're on a secret mission. We're looking for the clues, solving little puzzles. We've got no time to lose. We'll answer all the riddles and crack the secret code. We'll find our missing treasure. Case closed.
It was a beautiful morning in the town of Toi Time. when suddenly...
Help! Somebody help! It's the Toi Time trumpet. It's missing.
This looks like a job for Detective Ricky. Don't worry, I'll find the culprit.
Aw, thank you, Detective Ricky.
Interesting. Interesting. I'd like to ask you some questions, miss.
Of course.
Name?
Jojo.
Interesting. Where were you last night?
Let's see. I had spaghetti on toast for dinner with Buzz the Cuz at the Toi Time party. Then we played some cards. I washed my hair, and I had this really crazy dream about...
Okay, that's enough from you, miss. Now, I have a very important question to ask you. Where is the Toi Time trumpet?
I don't know.
Oh!
But she might.
Oh, suspect on the run, freeze! Don't move a muscle. Name, miss?
Maya.
Interesting. Where were you last night?
Oh, let's see. I cleaned my room, then I arranged my books in alphabetical order. Then I matched everyone's clean socks.
Maya,
And yeah,
why are you talking like that?
You told me not to move a muscle.
Oh, you can move now. But don't go anywhere. You're still a suspect. Okay, now, where is the Toi Time trumpet?
Oh, I don't know.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Don't. Oh. Thanks, Maya.
Okay. Bye.
What will you do now, Detective Ricky?
What every good detective does. I'll keep going until I crack the case. Interesting.
Whoa! Kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. And cuzzies, something terrible has happened. Someone stole my gumboots. Oh, it's time to investigate. This is the case of the missing gumboots. Give me back my gumboots. Nope, not here. Where did you put the gumboots, Missy? What do you mean, where did I last see them? Oh. Now, Mr. Lovey, don't you dare look at me with those beautiful, sparkling eyes. Remind me of how beautiful my mum is. Miss her so much. I'm gonna go see her soon. Hang on a second. A clue. Footprints. They look like they lead that way. Come on. Oh, that's right. I took them off when I was playing soccer before. Oh, Buzz. Moral of the story is take responsibility for your stuff. Ka kite.
Woohoo! Mauri ore te whānau. I'm Auntie Anika and I'm throwing a party for my friend Shaquille's birthday. But shush, shh. Don't tell anyone, it's a surprise. Now, a surprise is something everyone gets to find out about, and it's super fun and exciting, like a surprise party. Shh. Or a present they'll get to unwrap. Here's one I prepared earlier. Wrapped it myself. Oh, here comes Shaquille. Oh, wait. Are you ready? Surprise! Woo! It's your birthday surprise. Do you like it?
I must say, it's pretty lovely, isn't it?
Thank you so much. Here. Oh, here's your present. Here's a hat. Now let's party. Cool.
Oh, where could it be?
Oh, kia ora, Tama. Have you lost something?
Oh, Buzz! I've been looking everywhere.
Oh, what are you looking for?
My hat.
Oh, is it black with an orange band?
Yes and yes? How did you know that?
I found it! I found it!
Oh, I can't believe it was on my head the whole time. I'm more organised than I thought.
Oh.
I wanted to look my best for Tākaro time.
Oh.
Is it Tākaro time?
Oh, it sure is!
Yeah, I love Tākaro time. What have you brought to play with today, Buzz?
Well, today it's an invisible riding set. But first, what do you call an alligator that likes to solve mysteries?
Alligator Mysteries. A mystery solvigator?
Oh, that's close, but no! An investigator.
Investigator!
Let's play!
Oh, okay.
All right, this is a cool way to send messages to each other in secret.
Ooh, coolio. How do we do that?
Well, first of all, you take a piece of paper and you take a white crayon. Here you go.
Got it.
Awesome. Okay, and then I'm going to ask you a very important question, and you have to write your answer down on the piece of paper with the crayon. Ready?
Ready.
Okay. Thinking about a question. I've got it! Who is your best friend in the whole world?
Buzz, there's something wrong with my crayon.
Huh?
I can't see what I'm writing.
Oh, yeah, that's the point.
But if I can't see it, then you won't be able to see it either. Unless you have Ultra X-ray UV light superhero vision.
No. Well, I wish I did. But, hey, I do have another secret weapon.
Ooh.
Hey, just write your answer down and then I'll explain how to make it appear. Oh, yeah. Go! Pass me your crayon. Here we go. And now for the magic part. Okay, you're gonna dip your paintbrush into the watercolor paint and paint over the page. Okay, then we'll know what each other answered. Okay. And
Oh.
there it is. Perfect. Aw, yours says Buzz.
Yeah. And yours says Tama.
Really like playing with you, Tama.
I really like playing with you too, Buzz.
I've lost my glasses. Where could they be? Are they under my bed or in a tree? I've lost my glasses. Where did they go? I had them a second ago. Are they over here? Are they over there? Where could they be? Are they under a rock? Are they in my socks? Where could they be? Okay, I picked up my favourite book, but I needed my glasses to read it, so I went into my drawer and I picked up my glasses, tripped on the carpet, had a little giggle, but then I realised I'd put them on my head! Are they over here? Are they over there? Where could they be?
They were on my head all along. Anyway.
Hello! Today Emma's at speech class.
Go over to the chair.
She has a special room at school where we hang out. I'm the teacher, Megan. She shows me her photos.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Base.
She loves monsters.
Emma's purple monster
Oh.
and Megan's purple monster.
She loves making up games.
No, wait.
She has a talker that helps her say words.
Yes, I agree.
We make up a story about smoothies.
I want a banana. No bananas. Mum said use dog food.
I love my chats with Emma.
Shopping.
Oh, use strawberries.
Bye.
Everybody thinks insects are small, but our cat has the biggest of all. I climb trees and I walk the land. I'm so big, I'm as big as your head. I might look scary, but I'm oh so sweet. I love to dance, gotta move to the beat. Do the weather wiggle, wiggle with me. Do the weather wiggle, wiggle with me. Do the weather wiggle, wiggle with me. Do the weather wiggle with me. Just like Vetu, the stars in the sky. I sleep all day, come out at night. I got big eyes and I don't have wings. I got 6 legs and I got 6 feet. Do the weather wiggle, wiggle with me. 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 Do the weather wiggle with me.
It's good being an insect. Have to buy 6 shrimps though. Kind of a pain.
It's time for What's in the Box, the mystery edition. Okay, Maya, are you ready to find out what's in the box?
I am. Oh, please, Ricky. Is it the Toy Time trumpet in there?
Well, no, but it is something very cool.
All right, I do like playing this game. And it will take my mind off the missing trumpet for a little bit. Okay, here goes. Oh. Hard. Rough. An indent in the middle. Is it some sort of rock?
Sort of. It's a special kind of rock, one that's very, very old.
A very, very old special rock.
You might even call it prehistoric.
Prehistoric? Is it a fossil?
Yes, it is a fossil.
Wow.
Fossils are clues to animals or plants that lived millions of years ago. And this one is a footprint of a creature that lived in the area.
So, what sort of creature did this footprint belong to?
Dinosaur.
So, fossils are another way to help solve mysteries.
Correct.
If only we could find some footprints leading to the Toy Time trumpet.
Yeah. Footprints. Footprints! Yes, that reminds me of something I saw in the music room. Oh, get that though.
Come on!
Aha! I knew I'd seen footprints in here. Let's take a closer look. Oh. Wow. I wonder if whoever has the Toi Time trumpet left these footprints behind. Who do you think they belong to?
Well, whoever left that footprint has big feet. And whoever left this footprint has small feet.
Huh, you're right.
Oh, te tiro. Tahi, rua, toru, wha. There are 4 toes on this one, and also 4 toes on that one. Hey, Ricky.
Yeah.
How many toes have you got?
Oh, last time I checked, I've got tahi, rua, toru, wha, rim.
Hey, me too. So, why don't these footprints have 5 toes? Hey, Mōhio,
Kia ora, Maya. How can I help?
why do these footprints have 4 toes?
There are a number of creatures with 4 toes, Maya, such as cats, dogs, rabbits, and wolves.
Rabbits?
And wolves.
Wolfie
and Oma!
Oh, thanks, Mōhio.
Anytime.
Jojo, come quick. We think we've solved the mystery.
Oh, there! Oh, this trumpet is so shiny I can see my face in it!
Me too, Oma.
We were right.
There it is, the Toi Time trumpet.
Did somebody say they found the Toi Time trumpet?
Yes! There it is!
We solved the mystery!
Oh, we didn't know yous were looking for the trumpet. Hey, sorry, everybody.
We saw that it was a bit dirty, so we decided to give it a polish to make it shiny and clean again. See?
It looks wonderful. Thank you, Wolfie and Oma.
It's so clean, I can see my face in it.
Oh, that's what Oma said too.
Hey, everyone, we'll let you know next time when we borrow something, eh?
Thanks, Oma. Now we found the trumpet. Do you know what time it is?
It's
Toi Time!
Now let's do it nice and loud. Okay, now nice and quietly.
We live in the trumpet. We are collecting dry sand. This is for cake. This one. We take my sand for a ride. We play with the boat. I have a blue boat and a yellow boat. With the water. I love playing with the water. What a fun day!
Finally, everyone is together with their instruments and ready for band practice.
3, 2, 1, hit it!
Hi, I'm Jaya, and this is a story about Hanukkah. In the quiet town of Kirikiriroa, Arya and Rohan were invited over to their friends Jacob's to celebrate Hanukkah. Jacob's home was full of family and friends, talking, laughing, and setting out plates of food while Hanukkah music played. Today, we'll be lighting the menorah for the first night of Hanukkah, Jacob said, as he pointed to the family menorah. Jacob explained each candle. The middle candle is the shamash, the helper candle, which we'll light first and then use to light the other candles. Each night, we add a candle until the final night. Everyone gathered around the menorahs at dusk and sang the Hanukkah prayer as they lit the shamash candle and used them to carefully light the first candle. Jacob helped serve crispy fried latkes with sour cream, followed by sweet, jam-filled safganyot. Everyone had lots of fun until the candles finally burnt down and it was time to go home. The end. I love reading with you.
Hi, editor, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Kakite ano, we'll see you again. Yeah. Woo. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Kakite ano, we'll see you again. Tofa soy fwa.